Today I want to show you how to make a Pong game in Scratch. This is a type of games where you have a paddle and you're trying to stop a certain object from hitting the bottom of the screen. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to design your own game like this, or you can design it however you want. So I will show you how to add multiple levels and more. So let's get started. So first, let's pick the objects that are going to be bouncing around. Let's go to the choose a sprite and then search. We can choose any sprite that we want. I will choose a ball. And I will choose a background also. Let's go here. And of course, I can choose any background that I want. So I will choose a boardwalk. So let's add some code to the ball. Let's go to the motion and move 10 steps. What we will see, the ball will move 10 steps to the right. It will go there forever. So let's put it like forever. And let's see what will happen. So the ball will go to the right forever. So let's add a code from a motion of if on edge bounce. Let's see what will happen. So once it hits the edge, the ball will bounce. So let's add also a block from motion, which is point in 90 direction. So right now, it will point in 90 direction, right and left. So what about if we try point in like 45 direction? Let's see what will happen. So it will point in 45 direction. Let's add when the green flag is clicked. So now the ball is bouncing around. So now let's add a paddle. We will go to choose a sprite, and of course we can choose any paddle that we want. I will write here in the search paddle, and that's it. So we add a paddle. Now we want to add some code to it. So I wanted that if I move the mouse to the right, it will move to the right. If I move the mouse to the left, it will move to the left. So how can I do that? We know that X value controls how far the object from the right and the left side. So set X to, if we try like set X to 150, let's try it. The paddle will go to the right. If we choose set X to minus 200, and the paddle will go to the left. If we set X to 0, the paddle will go to the center. So let's have when the green flag is clicked, and let's put a control forever. So we want X to go to wherever the mouse is. How we can do that? We will go to the sensing and we will add this block. Set X to mouse X. So whenever the mouse is, the X will go as the mouse is. So let us try it. So that's it. We have the paddle moves whenever the mouse is. And now we have the ball is bouncing and the paddle is moving right and left. But still we have a problem that the ball is go under the paddle. So we have to add some codes to control this. And now we want to add some codes that if the ball hits the paddle, it will turn and go back to the top. So how we can do that? In the control, we have if then. In the sensing, we have touching. So we want, if the ball touch the paddle, what will happen? So I want the ball to turn to the top and move. So how we can do that? I will go to the motion. We have here turn. So I want it to turn like 180 degrees and then move like 15 steps. So I want it also to wait like 0.5 second. So I will go here to wait like 0.5, and I wanted to put it in a forever. I will put when the green flag is clicked. So let's try it. So that's it. I have the ball, when it hits the paddle, it will turn and go back to the top. So if I want to add some random values here, I will go to the operator and pick random values from 170 to 180, 90, sorry, and let's do it. So that's it. And now let's add some code that if the ball hits the ground, the game will be end. So let's go to the sprite and choose a sprite. So I will choose a red line here and I will put it here. So let us add some code to it. So we will add if then. We will go to the settings. So if the red touch the ball, if the red line touch the ball, what will happen? I have this code in the control, which is stop all, and I will put it inside a forever loop. I will put event when the green flag is clicked. So let's try it. So let's manage. So when the ball hits the ground, it will be stopped. And now let us add score to our game. So we will go to the variables and make a variable. So a variable keep track of a certain number in Scratch. So make a variable. I will call it score. Okay. So when the green flag is clicked, the score will be set to the 0. Set the score to the 0. So once the ball touches the paddle, I will change the score by 1. Change the score by 1. So let us try it. So each time the ball hits the paddle, the score will be increased by 1. And once we click the green flag, it will set to 0. And now let's add another level to our game. So I wanted, if the score is exceed a certain limit or above a certain limit, it will go to the next step. So how we can do that? So let us go to the wait until. So wait until. I want to go to the operator and add a comparison. So let us say that we wait until the score is above 5. So if the score is above 5, what we will do, we'll go to the next level. So we have next backdrop here. So let us choose the other backdrop that we want to add as a next level. Again, I can choose any backdrop that I want. Let us choose this. So here is the second level. So when the green flag is clicked, I will go to the logs and then switch backdrop to the first backdrop that I choose, which is boardwalk. And once I reach the 5 or above 5, I will go to the next level. So let us try it. Until I reach 5 score, what will happen? Again, I will go to the next level once the score reach 5. So that's it. I'll move to the next level when I reach 5. That's all what I wanted to show you today. Thank you for watching.